Hello and welcome to Honeywell customer soap support video. This video provides how to fill customer form for soap, that is spectrometric oil and filter analysis program. It is important that operators and customers send both oil and filter with each sample for proper analysis, especially for APU, TPE 331 and HTS 900 soaps. Oil analysis is option for some engines such as CFE, AS907 and TFE engines. Please check your maintenance manual for additional details. The operators who are participating in the program and will be submitting oil and filter sample at specified sampling intervals as per maintenance manual or SIL or as per previous soap recommendations. Below is a sample customer form which is mandatory to fill for Honeywell to do a proper analysis. In the following sessions, you will learn the key fields of this form which are highly recommended to fill by the customer or operators. It is important that customer fill the sample drawn date. This will be useful to understand the current soap analysis with respect to previous samples. If the date is left blank, then we will not be able to know how old the sample is, 2 weeks or 2 months. We have observed that customers do promptly select the customer product line. However, they miss many times entering the model, especially for product lines such as APU, TPE and TFEs, where in different models have different acceptable limits of oil and filter results.
And some need to be analyzed with respect to FAA guidelines.
Another key field where many of the customers don't update is the engine information, that is TSN, TSO, CSN, CSO. When we study the current soap sample with respect to its history and previous samples, these fields will give us correct picture of the trend. We appreciate that a lot of customers are correctly filling aircraft information section of the form. Honeywell encourage and highly recommend customers to fill correct information for engine operational problems and maintenance performed sections. Correct and accurate information in this section will help Honeywell to understand when was the maintenance done, are there any operational problems due to which we are seeing a bad soap, or when was the fuel pumps changed last time, or is it a scheduled or unscheduled soap analysis request, etc. Some of the soap recommendation will drastically vary when customer fail to provide correct and accurate details regarding oil and filter hours. When the soap analysis results are having thin line between normal and resample or resample and inspect recommendation, filter hours and oil hour information comes to the rescue. Hence, please include oil and filter and applicable hours with each sample for proper analysis.
Customers need to check the special request box whenever they want Honeywell to perform water check in oil, viscosity or flash point.
Please check your maintenance manual for additional detail on these checks. Final section of this form is for filling the customer contact details. In some instance, Honeywell soap technician, engineers may contact customer requesting additional information, or whenever the soap results are critical such as inspect recommendation, penalty engine runs, etc. So has to provide heads up to the plan next steps. Hence, we highly recommend to provide the correct information in this section, especially email ID, phone number and contact person name.